1. Good, keep moving. Keep looking for all that empty space on the stage. When I say 2, you're going to crouch down, touch the floor, carry on. 2. Good. Now, 3, you're going to freeze, and I want you to do it in a big, grotesque pose, okay? This will become relevant later on. Keep walking. 3. Good, lovely, relax, very nice. Feeling warm? Perfect.
Ah. Choose a higher note. Ah. We've got a beautiful range of voices. We've got some quite mature male voices and some really high female. Does anybody in here do opera singing? Oh, fantastic.
Your job is to freak the 3 of us out.
I love the rising from the tomb and the demonic laughter. Very good. Well done.
And I love the use of breath as well, that use of whispering.
Yes.
If we can maybe all remember that, because that's going to become really, really useful shortly. Lovely. Group number 3, if you want to set up for us, please.
I heard the brief and it was creepy. I know that that particular movement always creeps people out quite a bit, so I just decided to do that.
That was very, very cool, very creepy. I don't really have anything else to say.
I think like having the props and like the masks in Masquerade really helped you like get into the moment of it and help with like the key moments and bits that you needed to like elaborate on the piece. But I absolutely loved it. It made me feel really comfortable and everyone was so lovely.
The Phantom of the Opera workshop was just an amazing experience, so fun. Having a chance to just dance and sing with people I've never met before, it's just such an amazing experience. Like we did Masquerade and we got to try on the masks and learn a bit of the choreo from the actual show, and it was just so fun.